Hey, good day everyone. I've got this 20-volt cordless tiller cultivator here. It's got 4 rust-resistant steel blades, cordless design, dual safety switch, copper wound motor, adjustable handle, and 2 batteries. Well, here's everything that came in the box. Got the main unit itself, or the head. This is where the blades are going to go right there. Got the guard there, trigger portion, the handle portion, extender here for the handle, the gripping handle. And check these things out. Those are the blades. Those are going to go right on there. And some fasteners, and then the owner's manual. All right, it also comes with 2 batteries and a charger here. For the batteries, if you push this button right here, it'll light up the LED on the side there. It'll tell you how much battery life you have left in there. All right, step 1, we're going to go ahead and put this around there. Okay, now you see that arrow right there? That's going to line up with that arrow right there. It even shows you unlock and lock right there. All right, now it's going to be the same for these 2 components. We're going to slide this right onto here. See that arrow right there? Then there's an arrow there, and those correspond. And just slide that right on in there, all the way down to that black ring. You can slide this over and tighten it up all the way too. It goes on, you slide it down over this, and that way this hole right here will line up with that hole there. Take this little piece, start it right in there. You know, these things are really easy to put on too. These are the wheels there. So all you got to know is just that pin there is going to face the outside, because you got a hole right there that it's going to line up with. Right over there like that. And now we go ahead and put this through there. There we go. Slide this pin through it. There we go. There's that side. Now to use it, like I said, all you do is just push that in there. This thing just keeps on digging too. It has no quit in it. It just won't stop. Check this out. So there's those nice steel blades on there. Watch how deep this thing can go too. Wow. Well, this nice machine here is labor saving. It's highly efficient. It's practical. It has really strong endurance. It's portable and it's light. Really happy with this. Thanks for watching, everybody.